Check this out, this is the new generation of M12 Fuel Stubby impact wrench from Milwaukee. Now there's 3 new wrenches in the range, the 1/2 inch friction ring, which is I'm holding here. There's also the 1/2 inch pin detent and the 3/8 inch friction ring. These new wrenches boast 542 Newton meters of fastening torque and up to 746 Newton meters of nut busting torque, which is more than twice the capacity of the previous generation. That's a lot of ugga-duggers for such a small, compact tool, the size of which makes it great for working in tight spaces and under the hood. Also, being so small and lightweight, if you're using it all day, every day, it's a lot less fatigue on the old arm and body. Another interesting change they've made is the single-handed mode select. You just slide the forward and reverse switch to the center neutral position. You then double press the trigger to cycle through those modes. Now the first 3 of those 4 modes change the max speed and impacts per minute. The 4th mode is a bolt mode. When you're fastening with it, it auto shuts off the tool at 20 Newton meters of torque, effectively hand tightening the fastener. And if you're in reverse bolt mode, it slows down the fastener as it becomes free, so you don't drop your nut in the workshop or from height. Another great feature, they've added that Triy work light from the larger impact wrenches down to this wrench as well. It's great because you can double as a little spotlight when you're working in a dark place, under the hood or under the car. It's a really great improvement on what was already a very popular, solid tool on Milwaukee's M12 platform. Make sure you check it out. They're all available at your local Sydney Tool store now, or you can head over to our website for the full specs and to order online. And if you've got any questions, as always, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.